Unfortunately, the mother of this baby chicks can't sleep on this eggs and baby chicks to be complete this baby chick, and I did this for them to complete them with the heat of the sun and a little water to try to miss them, because they can be complete today and comes uh, out of the eggs, and something. I try to give them some water to get missed and to be complete. Hello everyone, and day 2, my baby chicks comes out from eggs, and I wanna go to and put them under his mother, and I can't believe it that my baby chicks get complete and get something like this. It's very good and very fantastic sense of that my baby chicks get complete, and they are going around and eating seeds and food, and it's very it's a very fantastic sense, and I'm so happy. Thank you.